So how can you close the developer mode on your Android device? Let's get started with that. So essentially you can find it inside of the settings here. And if you have the developer mode turned on entirely at the bottom, you should be able to see it there, right? So when I get inside, you can see that I have it enabled. And to close it or to stop that, it's pretty simple because I can just uncheck it at the top right there and just turn it off. Then when I return here, the developer options will actually completely disappear from the menu and it will be gone for good. So closing this and turning it off is pretty simple. If you ever decide to go to the developer mode again, it is possible too, of course, and the way that you can do that is by clicking the About Phone section and you will go to the software information. And you just want to find the build number, which is obviously specific for every device. And this number needs to be tapped on 7 times in succession to enable the developer mode. So, it's a kind of an unusual way to do it, but this is just how it works. And this is how you can always just bring your device back to the developer mode. So let me know below in the comments if it worked. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.